thank you for stopping by and welcome to the channel.
Usually it'll be packed, the elevator, but I don't think there's that many people here. Massimo's Italian Fallsview restaurant, 13th floor. Loin steak. Massimo. Man, that's the price for me. Hey, not worth the money. How about the penny?
It's okay. Just tomato sauce and cheese.
Nothing special?
No.
Not worth 30 then.
Nope.
And that's just based on our opinion.
We're 1772. So we're right by the corner. So that room cordoned off. So you need your access key to get into that area. So here we are. So need special access key for 172, 1773, 1774.
So room 1773 is right on the corner of Clifton Hill, and it comes with a balcony, and it's almost double the price of room 1772.
1772. 73 is the corner view. That's 74. So we got the 2 double bed. Well, this is a bigger washroom. This is a bigger washroom than the other one, I believe. And you got your bathtub, the shower. And masks are mandatory in the hotel, in the public areas. So we got the 2 queen double bed, the premium view. That's the TV, desk. And our fridge is in here. Get a Sunbeam coffee machine, complimentary water. This should be for the extra light. Fireplace, temperature control. Here's the fireplace. Here's the view. So we're right on the corner of Clifton Hill.
I believe this is the closest hotel to the American Falls with a view. And in my opinion, this is the best view of the American Falls of all the hotels in Niagara Falls. This room does not have a regular balcony. What it has is a Juliet balcony. It's basically a door with a railing in front. So in my opinion, if you're going to visit Niagara Falls and you want the best hotel view of the falls, you have to come on the Canadian side. So if you're only going to visit Niagara Falls one time, I would highly recommend booking one of the hotels with a view of the falls for at least one night. Having said that, the prices in the summer be really high, so if you want to save some money, usually prices during the weekday are cheaper than the weekend, and usually the lowest price for a hotel in Niagara Falls is usually during January and February. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, like, share, leave a comment, and hope to see you at our next video.